Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. I just opened up a mail call, and this is the Finders Keepers Milk Chocolate and Surprise by Hot Wheels 2022. Comes with a chocolate egg and a plastic car. And here's the ones that you can get. And here's the package. Oh, they're pullback cars. That's awesome. And ingredients and stuff like that. Made and packaged in Mexico. The toy's made in China. The candies and the packages are Mexico. Alright, well that's not confusing or anything. Yeah, 2022, I believe, because we don't want the candy to get old. So this would be, I'm not sure what this would be. What is this? Oh, is this the car? Is it gonna be like one of those tiny ones? And not quite sure how to open that up. There we go. Oh yeah, it is one of the tiny ones. That's cool. Here's what it is. I got Rip Rod. That's a cool little thing there. Some stuff you can get. Read that if you'd like. The other side is like paper that comes with it. Rip Rod. Whoa, this is cool. It's one of those plastic ones, but I think it has a pullback feature. Does it even? It rolls. Kind of. Somewhat. It's a tiny version of the Rip Rod. I do like the Rip Rod casting. It is very nice. Hold on, I'm going to grab some examples that I have. So I have a 2022 version of it in the Hot Wheels Unleashed 5-pack. This red one is a 2020 mainline one. This one is a 2021 Hot Wheels Legends 5-pack variation. But this is our tiny little Finders Keepers example. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Now let's do an epic eating montage of this egg. It's chocolate and all chocolate's good.